Let's demo them. This guy's great. It feels great. These things pull nicely. Let's squeeze. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, yeah, good noises. Oh, it's called Snow Crunch, and it is supposed to like feel like snow. Okay, that's really good. Look at that. It's like a powder of some kind. I don't know what. But man, it literally sounds just like snow. If you watch one of my other videos, you'll see one of these exploded on me, but I loved it so much I had to get another one. I like to like make the balls go really, really slow. And then I like to isolate and play with these. You can see up close. This one's like really hard and the balls are hard. One of my favorites too. It's like a kinetic sand. This is similar to the snow one, only there's no sound. It's just kinetic sand, so it's really soft. You can tell it's kinetic sand. But I like the way it changes colors.